Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you guys are having a great week, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. I am Beauty by Maddie with 2 eyes, and I will be showing you guys how to create this look, and if you are interested, please keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm back. I put my hair up and we're gonna go in with the BH Cosmetic palette, and then we're gonna pick that light brown color with the Morphe M505 brush, and we're gonna start blending from the outer V all the way to the center of the lid, and just keep on blending until you blend that all over the lid. After you're done blending that color in very well, you're gonna go in with a darker brown, and you're gonna start and blend that the same way from the outer V all the way to the center, and just keep on blending that color. Then you're going to pick up a clean brush. I'm picking up the Morphe M330, and then you're just going to blend both colors in from the outer V all the way to the teardrop, just to make a really nice seamless blend between the two colors. You're going to go ahead and pick up the Morphe M505 brush again, and you're going to pick up a black color. I did not show you guys, but it's from the same BH Cosmetic palette. And then you're just going to blend that color all the way from the outer V to just a tad bit into the center. You want to create a nice V shape from the outer V to the center. And just keep on picking up that black and just stabbing and blending until you get a really nice deep color in the V area. Now we're going to pick up the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette Self-Made, and we're going to go in with butter, the color butter, and we're going to put that all over our lid, starting from the teardrop area all the way to the center of the lid. Then we're going to pick up the Morphe 330 again, and we're going to go ahead and blend both colors, the butter and the brown color, just so it could be a nice blend between the colors. You don't want any very deep lines between both of the colors. You want a really nice blended look. I picked up the Morphe M505 brush again. I'm just going to go in with the black and just deepen the outer V area between the dark color and the butter color, so it can be a nice blend between both of the colors. Now I'm going to go ahead and pick up a Wet n Wild Mega Liner in black, and I'm just going to go ahead and just line my eyes. Now I'm going to go ahead and pick up the Morphe M508 brush, and we're going to pick up both of the light brown and the dark brown colors that we picked up for our eyes, and we're going to go ahead and blend our under eyes. Then I'm going to go ahead and pick up the Unique Cream Brush, and we're going to go in with the Carli Babel palette. You guys know I love this palette and I love that white highlighter. So we're going to go ahead and put that in the teardrop of our eyes, and you guys know that this just makes the eyes pop. So that's why I love using this highlighter. And voila, I'm done. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I'm done. I put my face on. I actually tried this new Fit Me from Maybelline. I'm 130 and I'm trying it out for the first time, so we'll see how that goes. And I also got this new liquid lipstick from LA Colors. It's a cute color, so I'm gonna give you guys a little close-up. My hair is going all over the place, but here is the final look. I got lashes, but I forgot I threw away the glue, so I couldn't put them on, unfortunately. But here is the final result, and that's Matthew. I don't know why the audio just cuts off on this part, but I hope you guys liked the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.